A long time ago, I was running a not-for-profit organization, and one of the things I did was every year the financial reporting and the budgets. I would spend a whole month working with a manual adding machine, if you can imagine that. One year, we decided to buy a computer to do some graphics, and it came with a spreadsheet. So just out of curiosity, I decided to do the annual reports on a spreadsheet. And I remember very well, I was sitting at my desk, and with this computer, because it was pre-DOS, you had to press Shift F9 in order to have the spreadsheet do the computations. So I entered the last data into the spreadsheet. I hit Shift F9, and my phone rang. And by the time I picked up the phone, 2 weeks worth of work was finished. I was hooked on computers. Just like with early desktop computers, generative AI has some obvious advantages. Here are two. One of Gen AI's biggest benefits is its ability to perform complex calculations in response to natural language input rather than computer code. I recently wrote a 10-page essay. I asked ChatGPT to review my copy and point out instances where I use passive voice. It quickly found 16. I didn't ask it to make any changes. I made those myself. The point is that by asking in plain English and without any computer code, ChatGPT found the problems faster and better than I could have done it. Now that's a great productivity enhancer. But my experience pales in comparison to what David Gewirtz wrote about on ZDNet.com. Gewirtz is more of a techie than I am. He speaks code. In his article, he writes about how he was able to speed up a lethargic 3D printer. While he is capable of reading the printer control codes to adjust the speed settings, there were more than 170,000 lines to scan. He asked ChatGPT to find the speed control codes. He learned that ChatGPT can sift through and compare 170,000 plus lines of machine instructions and reach actionable conclusions in seconds. Generative AI brings that kind of computer power to all users, not only to those able to program with computer code. Executives can now access AI systems or machine learning models to predict outcomes or recognize patterns. And with a little bit of training, they can do it fast. The important point here is when it comes to the tedious but profitable work of analyzing large amounts of data without having to write computer code, generative AI has a lot to contribute. And that's today's bite-sized tech tip. There are more videos on our YouTube channel. Check them out. We also have a blog with scripts and details. Links are in the description. You can like the videos. We always appreciate the props. Drop us a line in the comments. Interaction builds community. Subscribe to the channel to get notified whenever we upload a new video. But most of all, get with AI before it gets to you.